English language is not easy for us because we are everyday use Bangla language. We cannot fluently speak in English. Day by day not practice speaking English. Day by day not use speaking in English. Day by day not talk with friends, with any weather, anywhere, not use English. So this is a very hard. I think Bangla language is not hard. This is an easy language. Every people used Bangla language. So we speaking English very well. Day by day practice speaking English. Then one day success. Practice man make you perfect.